Hello and welcome to Physics Anime. So in this video we will discuss about numerical analysis, which is one of the very important concepts. So one question is derived from this concept. Okay. So in this numerical analysis, what we always do is that we will find the exact value of the definite integrals with the help of the trapezoidal rule, Simpson's 1/3 rule, and Simpson's 3/8 rule. So let's know one by one and let's solve the problems based on them. Okay. So first is trapezoidal rule. So with the help of this, we can find exact value of the definite integral of or a given integral. Okay. So suppose f of x into dx from x1 to x2. Okay. So this is a given definite integral and we have to find its exact value with the help of a trapezoidal rule. So which is one of the numerical method. Okay. So here this is the lower limit and this corresponds to the upper limit. Okay, so whenever they will given the definite integral is given, the first thing you have to do is that first you have to find the h value. H is given by xn, that is upper limit minus lower limit, x2 minus x1 divided by n. So n represents the number of spacing. So it will be given in the question. So first we have to find the value of h. Okay. Then finally we have to substitute these all values in the given formula. Okay. So x value will be given. So for corresponding to which you have to find the y values and then you have to substitute in the formula, given formula. And the formula for trapezoidal rule is it's given by f of x into dx, okay, is equals to h by 2 y0 plus yn plus 2 times of remaining. So we will solve the problems that I will get to know. Okay, so trapezoidal rule is given by h by 2 y0 plus y1 plus 2 times of the remaining text. Simpson's 1/3 rule. So it's given by h by 3 y0 plus yn. So this term y0 plus yn is common in all the three formulas, plus 2 times of even terms. Even terms nothing but like y2, y4, y6, so on. Only even terms, plus 4 times of odd terms or remaining. Odd are nothing but y1, y3, so on. Okay, next. Simpson's 3/8 rule. So it's given by 3h by 8 y0 plus yn plus 2 times of, here the terms should become such that which is a multiple of 3, like 3 table, for example 3 table, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, so like that y1, sorry, y3, y6, y9, so on. Okay, plus 3 times of the remaining terms, remaining. Okay, so these three are the numerical methods to find the exact value of a given definite integral. Okay, so for trapezoidal rule is given by h by 2 y0 plus y0 plus yn plus 2 times of remaining. So here y0 is nothing but the first term and yn is nothing but the last term of the y. Okay, so these y0 plus yn is constant in all the three formulas. Okay, so in h is, you have to find whenever the definite integral is given, the first thing you have to do is you have to find the value of h. Okay, then next I will tell in the example how to find the value of h. Okay, so h by 2 y0 plus yn plus 2 times of the remaining terms. Simpson's one third rule, h by 3 y0 plus yn plus 2 times of the even terms like y2, y4, y6 like that, plus 4 times of odd terms or remaining terms, that is y1, y3, so on. Simpson's 3/8 rule, 3h by 8 y0 plus yn plus 2 times of these are the what we can say that the terms which are the multiples of 3, like 3 table. Just remember the 3 table. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, like that. y3, y6, y9, so on. Here 3 into the remaining terms. So on substituting the values, so we'll get the exact value with the help of the respective rules. Okay, so let's take one example and we will solve the trapezoidal rule, Simpson's one third rule and Simpson's 3/8 rule. Okay, so this is a given data. Okay, x and y values are given and this is the integral, definite integral. Okay, so here what we are, first thing what we have to do is that, so this is y0, this is y1, this is y2, this is y3, this is y4. Okay, so when the data is given, the first thing is that you have to do this one. Okay, next you have to find the value of h. So as I stated before only, h value is given by upper limit minus lower limit divided by n, that is the number of spacing or intervals. Here the lower limit is -1, upper limit is 3. So upper limit minus lower limit divided by, so n, that is the number of spacing. You have to write the here n value. Okay, so here the spacing between the x is given by, you have to check the spacing at here in the x values. Okay, so 1 2 3 4. Okay, so n value is 4, so the total number of spacing is 4. So 4, so minus minus plus, it will become 4 by 4. Okay, so value of h is 1. So now apply trapezoidal rule. F of x into dx, okay, minus 1 to 3 is equals to, the formula for trapezoidal rule is h by 2. I'll write the formula once more. H by 2 y0 plus yn plus 2 times of the remaining terms. Okay, so according to formula, the value of h is 1. So 1 by 2. So the value of y0, the y0 value is 1. Next yn value is 4. So this will be your yn, that is the last term. Okay, so its value is 5. Yes, y0 value is 1 and y4, which is your last term, that is yn, its value is 5. So just substitute it, plus 2 times of remaining terms. So the remaining terms are nothing but y1, y2 and y3. So y1 value is 5 plus y2 value is 3. Next y3 value is 1. So how much it will become? So 1 by 2 as it is. So 6 plus 2 into 5 plus 3 8. 8 plus 1 9. And just from here. Okay. So it will become finally 1 by 2, 6 plus 18, which equals to 24 by 2. 2 ones are 2 12s are. So your answer is 12. So the value of this definite integral is equals to 12 with the help of trapezoidal rule. So now we will solve the for Simpson's one third rule. Okay, for same data only we will solve for Simpson's one third rule. Okay, this is yn, the last term. Okay, and we know that h value is equals to 1. Okay, so the formula for Simpson's one third rule is given by h by 3 okay, h by 3 y0 plus yn plus 2 times of even terms y2 plus y4 plus y6 so on, plus 4 times of odd terms y1 plus y3 plus so on. Okay, so the value of h is 1. So 1 by 3 So y0 is the first term, that is 1, plus yn is the last term 5, plus 2 times of y2 y4. So here is no, y4 is nothing but the last term. Okay, so you have to not consider that term, only y2. y2 value is 3, plus 4 times of y1 plus y3, odd terms. Okay, so y1 is 5, y3 is also there, so take those values. So y1 value is 5 plus y3 value is 1. So finally it becomes 1 by 3, 6 plus 6 plus 5 plus 7, 6 4 is 24. So 24 plus 6 30, 36 by 3. So finally we will get 12. 3 ones are 3 12s are. So the value of this definite integral, whenever it's been solved with the help of Simpson's 1/3 rule, we will get the value is 12. So for the same given data, we will apply Simpson's 3/8 rule. Value of h is equals to 1. Okay, so Simpson's 3/8 rule is given by 3h by 8 y0 plus yn plus 2 times of y3 plus y6 plus so on, plus 3 times of remaining terms y1 plus y2 plus y4, so on. So value of h is 1. So 3 by 8, y0 value is 1 plus yn value is, that is the last term value is 5, plus 2 times of y3. So only y3 is available here. Okay, so value of y3 is 1. Next, plus 3 times of y1 plus y2. y4 is not available because it's a last term, so you have to neglect it. Okay, so y1 value is 5, y2 value is 3. So finally 3 by 8, 6 plus 2 plus 5 plus 3, 8, 8 is a 24. So finally 3 by 8, 24, 26 or 32. So 8 ones are 8 fours are. So finally you will get 12. So in this method we have to solve Simpson's 3/8 rule, trapezoidal rule and Simpson's 1/3 rule. Thank you.